Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Cat Mini Movers. Look at all the mighty machines. Wow, there's so many and they even make noise. Let's take a look at the back. Wow, they all have moving parts. I can't wait to get a closer look. Let's open it. Look, it's our bulldozer. It has a blade. It has a ripper. It has 3 different buttons. It's got lights and the tracks actually move. Wow, that makes pushing it around lots and lots of fun. Here's the wheel loader. Wow, look at his big scoop. And look at his great big wheels. Let's take a look at our dump truck. Wow, he could carry lots of things in there. And look at his great big wheels. Here's our excavator. Wow, isn't he neat? He has wheels on the bottom so his tracks don't move, but he can get around really fast. Here's our backhoe. Wow, he has a scoop and the backhoe. And he has nice little wheels. This is really cool. I wonder what our trucks are up to. What are they doing? Let's go find out. Wow, what does he have? He has a rectangle. Very cool. 1 rectangle. Wow! What does he have? He has hearts. 1, 2, 3 hearts. What does he have? Look, he has squares. How many squares does he have? 1, 2 squares. Let's see what he has. He has triangles. 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, 5 triangles. He has circles. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, and 4 circles. These mighty machines need your help. They don't know what order to put their shapes in. Can you help them? We have 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. That's not right. Let's move them around. One goes first. There's one rectangle. 2 squares. That's right. Look, 3 hearts. I think that's in the right order. Let's see. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, is this in the right order? We have 5 and 4. No, that's not right. Pick up your circles. Let's switch places. Let's see now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's right. And our last one has 5. Yay! We did it. Thank you guys for your help, and thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.